India Express, an international courier service.
If you have heard the story of Mahabharata, then you will remember the Pandavas losing their wife Draupadi in gambling in the hands of Kauravas. Now one such case has been found in Saudi Arabia. Prince Masjid bin Abdullah bin Abdulaziz has lost 5 wives in gambling. He have 9 wives in total. In addition, the prince also lost about 22 billion rupees in just 6 hours. Prince of Saudi Arabia, Masjid bin Abdullah is famous all over the world with drugs, gambling and prosperity. According to media reports, a few days ago, Masjid reached Sinani Grand Casino in Egypt to play poker. When the prince started playing the game, he lost one game after the other. Because of this, Masjid lost all the money he had before. Even after this, his passion was not reduced and he pledged his 5 wives instead of rupees 160 crores. After this, he lost all the games and in return, he had to leave his 5 wives in the same casino. Prince Masjid stayed in the casino for a week. He was playing on an unlimited stack poker table. Director of the casino, Ali Shaman, said the prince that he lost all his money and then prince also put his 5 wives in the bet. But then he also lost them. After this, he went from there without his 5 wives. This is not the first time. People in casino play game with money. Apart from the money, people here put camels and horses on stake and they get rid of them. But this is the first time that someone has put his wife on stake. According to media reports, the Saudi government is feeling embarrassed by the act of the prince. But no statement or response has been issued about this from the government. So far, it is not known that whether the prince's wives will return to Saudi Arabia or not. There is also a possibility that Saudi royal family will finish the case by paying the money. At the same time, the Egyptian foreign minister said that her government will make all the possible efforts to send the Saudi women to their country. Rajkumar Masjid bin Abdullah has also lived to disputes in many cases before. In 2015, she was accused of having sex with her male colleague.